Haven't posted something in a while, so thought I'd give a quick update as to what's going on. The engine is fully mounted. Just need to finish the welding of the engine mounts. Shocks are going to move onto the top of the axle and be canted backwards. I've installed some new bulkhead fittings for the winch, which is now here. Overall, the approach angle is much better. As you can see here, these tubes will be cut here flush. So you can see when the tire is straight, it will now be in front of the front bumper, if you will. Other than this, inside, we have started to mount the seat pans, have the steering wheel ready, and now just working on the shifter placements. So we are getting there. Overall, in the back, have a new air conditioner right here. The fuel tank mount is nearly done. We'll have a hole here for the oil tank drain. Here is the oil tank here, a small 5-gallon tank which will manage all of the oil for the vehicle. This is my new driver's side window, and the passenger is somewhere else. There is the fuel neck that will be placed inside that window. The trans cooler, which is here, is going to be mounted in the passenger window there.